happy, I don't know what today is, y'all. I don't know why I keep saying that. Anyway, so hope you guys are having an amazing day. We are outside at the pool with Noah and her friend Anson. Y'all remember her? It was her birthday the other day. Say hi, Anson.
Hi guys.
Anyway, guys, so yeah, we are here comes Noah.
And guys, this is me and Noah. We besties.
Okay.
And guys, guess what? I can pick up Noah, but you're not gonna see it. At the end.
Okay, go away. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Y'all, how they take over my camera time? This one right here. You need your own channel. Yeah, she need her own channel. It's a butterfly. Anyway, guys, so we haven't done a whole lot today. We just pretty much been hanging out. Went to, oh, look at the butterfly. Y'all can't even see it. It's on the camera, actually.
Guys.
It is actually on the camera, y'all. Y'all see the butterfly right here?
Oh no.
It's on the camera. Anyway, so yeah, we haven't done a whole lot. We went to the grocery store a little earlier. No, you cannot. Okay, I'm gonna need you to go away. Okay, so yeah, we haven't done a whole lot. We went to get some lunch, and then now we're just hanging out at the pool. I made the kids some lunch, and we ate out here, and now they're playing in the water, and I'm out here reading magazines that I haven't. I honestly been having my magazine since I think the end of June for July, and haven't cracked them open. So the kids had a turkey sandwich, and I just use these little trays because it stays in here while we're at the pool. We had apple juice and water, cherries and kiwi. Kids had a sandwich and some chips. Noah pretty much ate all of hers, but Jacob didn't eat his, so I'm just gonna pack this up and take this home. But yeah, guys, that's it. That's all we've been doing, so I guess I'll play with the kids. Noah's supposed to be jumping in the pool, so we'll see if she does it today. I'm moving to the shade, y'all. It's hot over there. Did I tell y'all Jacob finally let go in the pool? He's swimming, look at him. Yeah. Noah, let me throw you in? There you go.
Right?
Yep. Guys, so I just got back in the house. I want to show you guys. I went to the store, got some crab, some snow crab legs, got some crawfish. Only people eat these is Noah and Babe. I don't eat these at all. They're too fishy to me. And then I got some mussels. These are my favorite. I got some corn, some lemon, and then hold on, potatoes and sausage. Alright guys, we're done. Got the crawfish, potato, sausage, corn, mussels, crab legs, plates, and some butter sauce. Hey guys. So yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna clean this beauty room up, y'all. It is a mess. Anyway, so we just finished eating dinner. We recorded a mukbang. I don't know how to pronounce it, but something like that, where you guys are just gonna sit and watch us eat. It was kind of cool, so go check that video out. I don't know if it'll go out before this or after this, but just go check it out. I'm sure you guys will enjoy it. Yeah, so we didn't do a whole lot today. We honestly just hung out here at the house, me and the kids, and then we went to the pool and I let the kids hang out. Then I ran to the grocery store, came home, cooked dinner, we recorded that video, and then now I just washed the kids up and laid them down, put them to bed, so they're already out. Like, I came in here to get myself cleaned up and everything, and went back to check on the kids and they were already knocked out. So that pool really tires them out, which is kind of a good thing. So tomorrow's gonna be kind of a full day. We're gonna go grocery shopping, we're gonna go house shopping, and I'm gonna have both the kids with me. Just go ahead and bow your head and pray for me. Alright guys, I hope you guys had a great day. Hope you guys enjoyed the mukbang. So go click that video. Love you guys. I'll see you guys